He tossed his badge in the trash and walked out forever. No more boss, no more alarm clocks. The crazy part? He didn't trade one single stock. A lazy, automated system set him free. Instead of chasing hot stocks, I chose index funds. Cheap, simple, reliable. Then I automated it. Every month, cash flows in, no thinking, no panic. I took my own broken emotions out of the equation. He kept the beat-up car. He stayed in the cheap apartment. While others chased status, he funneled every single dollar into automated investments. He rejected lifestyle inflation. He chose future freedom instead. Month after month, the machine bought shares. No emotion, no hesitation. For 10 years, compound interest did the heavy lifting. Those tiny, forgotten savings quietly transformed into an absolute fortune. That is the power of automation. 30 years old, he stares at the screen, holding his breath. There it is, the number. He shuts the laptop, steps onto the warm sand, and looks at the ocean. No more boss. Free, forever. Look at this screen. These simple index funds hold the secret code to your freedom. The math of early retirement is shockingly simple. Compound interest works quietly while you sleep, building your escape hatch. One tap, that is all it takes. With this single automation, your money starts working for you, buying index funds on autopilot. The slow, unstoppable march toward your early retirement begins right now. While the world panics and the red screen bleeds, he sips his coffee. Why? Because his automated bots are quietly buying up the crash, turning chaos into pure, effortless profit. While the world panics over the latest market crash, he's busy painting. He doesn't care. Why? Because his automated portfolio is quietly compounding in the background, building wealth while he actually enjoys his life. While they stare at bleeding screens, trading sleep for stress, he walks a silent mountain path. No panic, no screens, just peace, while his automated system quietly builds wealth in the background. Look at my buddy. 6 screens, constant panic, and bleeding cash. Meanwhile, my lazy portfolio just sits there, quietly growing. No stress, no complex charts, just easy wins while he stares at red candles. They complained about the endless grind, dreading another 30 years in these gray cubicles. I just smiled. While they plan to work until 65, my automated systems already bought my freedom decades ahead of schedule. With a few clicks, he reroutes the money. The automated cash flow that built his wealth now flows straight to his bank account. The machine is unlocked. From this day on, his investments fund his daily life. Looking at this sunset, it finally hits me. I am done trading my life for a paycheck. The automated machine runs in the background, funding my freedom forever. I will never go back. Are you ready to start your own automated path to freedom? Will you keep trading your life for a paycheck, or will you set up your first index fund today?